Tomorrow, Josh and I are gonna go to the beach at sunrise. I wanted to show you what I prepped. So I just chopped up 2 apples to take with some peanut butter and then some plums, and take some mixed roasted nuts, grapefruit that I just sliced into 4ths, just since that's super easy to take to the beach. So we'll put those in containers and then just put it in the fridge until tomorrow. So yeah, when I see you guys in the morning, I will be very, very tired. I'm also drinking, it looks like it's just a normal glass of water, but it is infused with St. John's wort's herbal drops. Am I saying that right? I think I am. And it's supposed to help you have a solid, good sleep. So, I'm gonna have that and then go to bed because sunrise is at 7:20. So, it's going to be an early start. Well, there's the sunrise, and I'm not at the beach. Just waiting for the coffee to brew.
She's bad. So what good hair looks like when you wake up.
Oh, I see it now. Also, can't go anywhere without agua. It's out of focus again. Wow, it's focused on Josh. You don't need to focus on Josh. Can you focus on me? Hello? These are my prebiotics and probiotics that I take, and there's a mixture of all kinds of good fruits and herbs and vegetables in there. So I just take like 1 teaspoon of that in water. And the red color is all natural. It's from the beetroot, so there's no artificial colorings or flavorings in it. And then I drink 1 cup every day, and it makes my tummy feel good.
Says she's gotta pee. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
That's why sea turtle shells have that pattern. Because the ocean gives it that pattern. Oh, she's coming back now.
You think the ocean will forgive me for peeing in it?
Yeah, I think you give them back.
We're gonna do stair sprints on these little stairs. So 1 up and down is 1, and we're gonna do 5 sets. So 5 of those, up and down. I'm gonna put the camera right here. We're just gonna do 5 to warm up. Done. 5 stair sprints done. Now we're gonna cool down with walking lunges. Let's go down here. We'll do 5 sets of walking lunges, side lunges, there and back. And then we'll finish out with sprints. And then maybe go for a swim. that was our lunge warm up. We did about 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Couldn't make it to, we couldn't do the 5 there and back each. Now we're gonna do like three sprints there and back, and then ocean swim because can't do a third one. Might have to wait. Might have to wait. Not weak. I'm listening to my body.
Got it. Did you get defeated by the water?
How embarrassing. Okay, I have an excuse about why I couldn't finish that third sprint, because yesterday we tested this workout and did everything and we're like fatigued. Like I woke up so sore this morning, my muscles were jello. So I'm gonna say that's why I couldn't finish the third sprint, but we might do it like later after we rest a little bit. What was that? Say that again.
Why is it on fire?
See, he didn't even finish it. His muscles are on fire too, so it's a legit workout. It's like 15 minutes, but it's non-stop and it's super high intensity. Start your day with something bright and active, like sunshine and movement. What do you think? He thinks.
Show.
Hey guys, we are back from the beach and I wanted to quickly jump on here and show you a mini banana pancake recipe. I love this recipe because it's so easy, it's so quick, there's such few ingredients and they're all whole ingredients. There's no flour, no grains. It is refined, sugar-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free, and I hope you enjoy. So for this recipe, since there's no flour included, you'll just need 1 cup of gluten-free oats, roughly a 1/4 cup of ground up flaxseed. I have like a dash of cinnamon, and I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon, which is like 1 serving of protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder of your choice, whether it's pea protein, animal-based, or whey. I think this guy is a bone broth protein. And then this recipe is gonna serve 2 people. So I've got 2 bananas here and 2 eggs, but you can just basically cut the recipe in half if you're doing it for 1 person. 1/4 cup of flaxseed, a dash of cinnamon, and 1 serving of protein powder. I'm gonna blend that up in the blender and make it into a flour. So now that I have my dry ingredients all blended and into a gluten-free, grain-free flour, I'm gonna grab a clean NutriBullet cup, add 2 bananas to the bottom of this guy. So I'm gonna blend my wet ingredients separately. And now you blend that up. Once I have my wet consistency all blended up separate, I'm gonna add the dry ingredients to it and blend it up again. And when you get that smooth pancake batter consistency, you are ready to throw it on the griddle or the pan with some coconut oil. And then you just pour it on in little hand-sized circles. The griddle makes everything so much easier because you can literally just pour all of them on here at the same time and you don't have to wait for each one to cook individually. And then listen, we like blueberry pancakes around here, so obviously you need some fresh blueberries. So then you just add a pinch of blueberries to each one, kind of help them set into the batter. So this should be like a golden brown, but not black, even though I do burn them almost every time. So I'm surprised they're not burnt this time. And once they're ready, then you serve, and you're good to go. And you have healthy blueberry pancakes. You can top them with honey, almond butter, peanut butter. You can use strawberries on top or blueberries, and that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, because it really supports my channel, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.